Welcome! In this video, you'll learn step by step how to like a comment on Facebook Web using your PC based on the latest update. Whether you're showing appreciation for a friend's comment or reacting to a funny reply, this quick guide will walk you through exactly what to do. First, open your internet browser and go to the official Facebook website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your home page, take a moment to make sure your feed has fully loaded so that everything appears properly. Next, scroll until you find the post that contains the comment you want to react to. This could be one of your own posts or something shared by a friend, a group, or a page you follow. When you spot the post, open the comment section by clicking on View More Comments if necessary. This will reveal all the replies underneath. Now, find the specific comment you want to like. Hover your mouse pointer over that comment and then right-click on it. With the most recent Facebook update, you'll see a small context menu appear after right-clicking. Look for the option that says Like. Click on Like to select it. The moment you do, a small blue thumbs up icon will appear next to the comment. That symbol means you've successfully liked it. If you ever change your mind, you can click it again to remove your like instantly. It's as simple as that. The new Facebook Web layout makes interacting with comments faster and more intuitive than before. Now you can easily show appreciation or acknowledgement without needing to scroll endlessly or open pop-ups. Before you go, remember that these little interactions matter. Liking comments helps keep conversations engaging and encourages more positive interactions online. Thanks for watching.